officially decided this is the next company Mike will drive for. Not only is it a big sleeper, it has a slide. That's the truck I want next. Hey, it worked that time.
I can't believe it.
Oh my goodness. I think that's the driver of that fancy truck that we just showed y'all.
We ought to splash mud on his shoes.
Oh, that's a nice truck.
We're in West Memphis.
Trying to get out of West Memphis. I don't know why we keep doing this to ourselves. It's clear here.
We have decided that we're not coming here anymore.
Not necessarily West Memphis, but this fine J.
This particular truck stop has gone way downhill.
And
every time we go to eat, it's horrible.
The Denny's just continues to get worse and worse. So I'm taking that. We had it on our favorites list on our Trucker Path app, but it's coming off of there. I think I'd rather go to the Petro. Dog, you're killing me, buddy. You're hiding, Mama.
I'd rather go to the state pen and hang out over there. But anywho's, yeah, so not going to dwell on it. It's just not what it was, so
No.
we're done. We're going to pick another spot when we have to stop over here.
Well, we've got the Petro, we've got Loves, and there's a Pilot
down
over there.
Pilot's hard to get to sometimes, but
It'll be worth it rather than coming here.
all this nasty shit. So anyway,
we are headed to Fairburn, Georgia now. We finally got out of the snow and ice. Well, got out of the snow. There's ice here. Would you sit and quit?
What is the matter with you?
He's licking the lotion off my hands. Stop. You weirdo. Does anybody else have a dog that licks the lotion off your hands? Stop. He's a weirdo.
Yeah, well, yeah, he is a weirdo.
He's not happy this morning. We have not been able to get to a Walmart this week, and he hasn't had his little chicken stick treats in 3 days. So he makes sure to let us know before we start rolling that he wants his chicken stick, but we don't have one to give him. So
Yeah.
he has fussed and fussed and fussed and fussed. I know you don't have it. Daddy will take us to Walmart today, okay? Mom will get you a big bag. A big bag of chicken sticks.
The jumbo bag.
Yeah. He would eat those things all day long if we would just continuously give them to him. Stop licking my hands. Weirdo dog.
Okay.
Anyway. We are 460 miles? No, 412. 412 miles away from our drop. We can drop it as soon as we get there. So, anyway, the dog just touched the tablet with his nose and stopped the recording on the GoPro. What? Good grief.
It's a good thing we didn't need the chains.
Exactly. Are they frozen?
Frozen solid. Come look.
Oh, the truck needs a bath so bad. Not until we get away from up here, though. We just got over there to pick up this load, and we're informed that it would not be ready until tomorrow. So, we're trying to fuel up now. And then Oh my gosh, look at the change, y'all.
Yeah, but
That's crazy.
it was way worse yesterday. A lot of this is come off. Look at this. Look under here.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
all solid sheet.
That's crazy.
But some of that fell off. It's probably 10,000 pounds worth of ice right there.
That's crazy. Okay, I'm getting back in the truck where it's halfway warm.
Let me take you high.
Hang on, hang on, hang on. He's all wrapped up. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here. Okay. Ah! Would you stop?
This is the part we're gonna have to cut out.
Hang on, hang on. I'm trying to give you a shot. Okay, go. Quick, chew it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. What?
Go ahead and talk.
Yeah, well, it's been running 15 minutes already.
He's playing tug of war. Okay, we're letting the dog. You're never gonna catch him in that.
Anyway.
We're letting the dog play a little while before we go to bed.
Mm-hmm.
We just finished eating dinner. I fixed some ribeyes and baked potato for him, baked sweet potato for me, and asparagus. And that's the first time we've done the steak in the truck. I've seasoned them up and wrapped them in foil and put them in the Instant Pot under pressure for about 15 minutes.
Oh, and a little piece of advice for all the guys out there. When your wife suddenly makes steak and baked potato and asparagus, don't ask if you forgot your anniversary. It doesn't go over well.
It's not our anniversary.
No, it isn't.
But
But it was steak.
anyway, I cooked them for 15 minutes under pressure in the Instant Pot, and we were able to cut them with a butter knife. So
Yeah.
they turned out really, really good.